You parents, let's talk about something nobody warned you'd be studying baby poop. That very first diaper, it's called meconium. And wow, it's a shocker. It's thick, sticky, greenish black, almost like tar. This is your baby clearing out everything they swallowed in the womb: amniotic fluid, mucus, and even skin cells. The good news, it doesn't smell. The bad news, you'll need all the wipes you have, unless you apply lots of barrier cream before the meconium arrives. Over the next days, you'll see big changes, especially if you're breastfeeding. That dark tar turns lighter, thinner, and eventually becomes that classic mustard yellow poop with those little seedy bits. And yes, you will 100% end up talking about poop way more than you ever imagined. But don't worry, it's all completely normal. Just stock up on diapers, wipes, and a good sense of humor.